I'm Lisa from Sticker Guru. I started my sticker shop when I was 17, still in high school back in 2016. After running it as a side hustle all throughout college, I'm now a full-time sticker shop owner along with my sister Lucy. So if you hear me say we in this video, it's because I'm referring to my sister and me. So before I get started with the 5 items you need to start a sticker shop, we have a free webinar linked in the description of the entire roadmap of how to start your own sticker shop. So if you're interested in that resource, I'll have it linked. It'll be the first link in the description. Before I get started, I would really appreciate it if you hit that thumbs up button and leave a comment letting me know what type of sticker shop you want to start. And if you're not already, I would love it if you would subscribe. We post lots of sticker shop content. The next video I'm posting is going to be how much I make as a sticker shop owner, specifically in my first year of starting a sticker shop. So if you're interested and you want to see how much I made my first year, definitely subscribe. That video is coming this Friday, so stay tuned for that. But let's go ahead and get started with this video. So the very first item that you need to start a sticker shop is a cutting machine. The cutting machine that I started with is a Silhouette Portrait. It's probably the most common one. I know Cricuts are also really common. Personally, I don't have any experience with using a Cricut, but I have heard that people prefer a Silhouette to a Cricut. That's not to say that you need a Silhouette to start if you already have a Cricut, but if you don't have either, I would definitely recommend the Silhouette Portrait. There's a bit of a learning curve when it comes to learning how to use a cutting machine. I know I definitely struggled a bunch in the beginning of designing and learning how to make stickers. So if you are in that boat and you want a fast track way of learning how to use your Silhouette, how to design, how to cut stickers, we have a course called Creating Stickers Made Easy. I'll have it linked. And we will teach you everything you need to know to create stickers. But a few tips for using a Silhouette: you want to make sure that you're cutting in bright lighting. If you cut in low light, your machine will have a hard time reading registration marks and it can throw off the cuts of your stickers. And when you use a Silhouette, definitely stock up on the cutting mats as well as the blades because you will go through them pretty quickly. And I know the blades are kind of hard to find. We actually don't use the Silhouette brand of blades. We use the CB09 blades. I'll have it linked in the description. It is a fraction of the price compared to the brand name blades, and they last just as long, if not longer. The second item you need is, of course, sticker paper, and you don't need to start with the best quality sticker paper. I know a lot of shops started with the lowest quality of sticker paper. I'm one of them. I started with the cheapest sticker paper I could find, and that was the Online Labels Standard White Matte sticker paper. If you're just starting out, I would recommend just starting with the cheapest, and as your shop grows, I would invest in better quality sticker paper. I do want to mention that sticker paper does affect the quality of your stickers. So if you're starting with the cheapest sticker paper, your stickers might not look the best. But like I said, as your shop grows, you can definitely upgrade your sticker paper. We started with the Standard White Matte from Online Labels, switched to Sheet Labels, I believe it's the Spectacle sticker paper, and then now we currently use the Online Labels weatherproof sticker paper. And we get asked all the time if the sticker paper is truly weatherproof or waterproof. Personally, I can't attest to the weatherproofness of it, since we sell stickers that are like planner stickers, stickers meant for your planners and journals. So I actually don't know if the sticker paper is truly weatherproof, but if you know the answer to that, definitely leave a comment letting me know. So the third item is, of course, a printer, and this is kind of a hot topic when it comes to sticker shops. Is a lot of shops don't like disclosing what type of printer they use because it's kind of like their secret sauce. Us, on the other hand, we have no problems of sharing what printer we use because in reality, it takes a lot more than just a good printer to be a successful sticker shop. So with that being said, we use the Canon Pro 100 printer. I believe it is discontinued, but we do have 3 of those that we use. And then prior to that, we used the Canon Pixma printer. I believe it was the MX922. And before that, the printer I was using when I first started was a color laser printer that my family already had. So I pretty much just used whatever I already had and had access to when I was starting, because let me just tell you, I did not have the funds to go out and buy a brand new printer. So I just used what I had. If you don't have a printer and you don't have the funds to get one, I would recommend actually going to like a local library and printing your stickers there. And then once you've made enough money, go and invest that money back into your business and get yourself a printer. So since the printer that we use is currently discontinued, if I were to go out and pick a new printer, I would probably choose something from the Canon Pixma line. I would definitely choose an inkjet printer over a laser printer, but there's definitely no need to go out and spend hundreds of dollars on a really fancy printer. I'd say just get a cheap inkjet and go from there. Okay, number 4 is shipping supplies. If you're starting a sticker shop, you're gonna need some supplies so that you can ship your stickers to your customers, and this is kind of a two-parter. First, I think you need some cellophane bags. I actually have some over here to show you. This is what they look like. They have like an adhesive on the back so that way you can close the bag, and basically it will keep your stickers from getting damaged in transit, specifically from water. So like if it's raining, your stickers don't get wet. So you're gonna need cellophane bags, and then you're also going to need some sort of mailer to actually mail your stickers in. We use bubble mailers, as you can see down here. We also use a custom mailer that we've designed. You can also use rigid cardboard mailers. Those are also really good. I'd say bubble mailers is my favorite way to mail products, and it's probably the cheapest way. The 5th item and the very last item that you need to start a sticker shop is a scale. This is a scale that I got off of Amazon. I want to say it was like under 10 bucks. And this is actually the scale that I had purchased back in 2016. So I still use it to this day. It just has a battery that I replace every like couple of years, but it still works great. It can measure in ounces. You want to make sure that you have like a small scale like this that can do ounces, and not like a giant scale that you step on. So definitely get yourself one of these scales. So you're gonna need a scale so you can weigh your orders. That way when you buy your shipping labels, you just enter in the weight of your package. And shipping costs depends on how heavy your package is. So obviously the lighter it is, the cheaper the shipping label, which is why you're gonna need one of these. Okay, so those are like the 5-ish items you're gonna need to start a sticker shop. I wanted to throw in a bonus one. This isn't necessary, but highly recommended, and that is a business card. I recommend getting a business card to include with your orders. That way your customer has a way of finding you on social media, or if you want to put your email on there, they have a way of contacting you. You can get business cards from Vistaprint. That's where we ordered business cards from. But if you don't want to shell out the money for business cards just yet, you can actually make a makeshift business card using sticker paper. This is what I did when I was first starting out. I designed like a little business card looking thing, and I actually designed it as a sticker first. So I had my website, email, YouTube channel, Instagram, and I think that's pretty much it. Those few things. So I had all that information on a sticker, and I would just stick it onto each little cellophane bag. So after doing that for a while, I switched over to little sticker sheets that had little stickers on there. So it was kind of like a sampler and a business card. So we love a 2-in-1. And then finally, I eventually invested in some business cards, but it's definitely not required. I just personally like having a way for your customer to reach you. Okay, so that is the 5 items you need to start a sticker shop. Again, if you're interested in learning how to start your own sticker shop, definitely check out the free webinar where we give you the entire roadmap of how to start a sticker shop. And if you're not already, be sure to subscribe for more sticker shop content. I am going to be posting this Friday of how much I made my first year of running a sticker shop, so stay tuned for that video. But other than that, I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next one. Bye!